When arriving at Vancouver International Airport, you will have many choices for ground transportation to get you to where you need to go. It all starts with you exiting the secure area of the airport and arriving in the meeting area. If you have someone waiting for you, this is where they will likely be waiting, at which point you will just follow them. Your other options will be taxi, Uber, Lyft, or other ride-sharing service, SkyTrain or Metro, rental car, or Passnger Pickup area if they're using the cell phone waiting area. See my other video on how to use the cell phone waiting area so your pickup doesn't have to pay for parking. The good news is that all these options are very close to each other, and all you need to do is follow the signs. Taxis are probably the most convenient, and you will find many waiting in line. You just need to tell them where to go, and there are set rates depending on which part of the lower mainland you are going to. All taxis accept credit cards or cash. On the other side of the taxi curb is the area for ride-sharing apps. This is where you can wait for your Uber or Lyft. The curb has large number signs, so you can message or tell your driver which number you are standing near for them to pick you up. Your third option is to take the SkyTrain or Metro to downtown Vancouver. You just need to go up these escalators or take the elevators just beyond them to get to the station. I have a separate video on how to take the train from YVR to downtown Vancouver and have a link in the description. For car rentals, just follow the signs to your rental company. Perhaps the most convenient way if you have family or friends picking you up is to go to the Passnger Pickup area on the other side of the lane from the Ride app pickup area. Just tell them to wait in the cell phone waiting area, which is 3 minutes drive from the pickup point. Then call them when you are there so they can come and get you. I have a separate video on how to use the cell phone waiting area. See it in the description. That's it. You're on your way to one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Welcome to Vancouver. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.